back to another video. So my name is Shaylyn, and here I do lifestyle and coffee videos. And so today I have a very exciting video for you all. I am going to be unboxing my Nespresso. So I am so excited to unbox it for you all. So if you are interested in looking at the Nespresso Vertuo Next Plus Deluxe, then that is a mouthful. Then just keep on watching. Alright, you all, so here it is in all of its glory. So this is the Nespresso Vertuo Plus. It is still in the box, but let's just get into the packaging.
Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an empty left in my bed. I don't know about you, but put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring.
So this is the Nespresso Vertuo Plus. You can see here that the water tank does move. It is adjustable, so you can have it directly in the back of the Nespresso, or you can have it to save space on the side like it originally was. So this is the portion where you take out for your pods. So this is where your pods will drop, and then you collect them from here. And then you just pop that back into place. So this is perfect, and this is the color Titan. Yeah, so this is the color Titan. It has a significantly larger water tank than the Nespresso Vertuo Next, which is the other Nespresso that I did have. And just for comparison of sizes, I am going to put the other Nespresso as a side-by-side to this one. Alright, so for size reference, this is the Nespresso Vertuo Next, and then this is the Nespresso Vertuo Plus. So you can tell that this one is a little slimmer than that one, but not by much. And the reservoir, though, is significantly smaller. So this one is significantly smaller than this reservoir. So there's a good comparison there. Nespressos side by side. Here's a close-up. So this one also comes with a larger cup holder than this one, as you can see. But these are both of the Nespresso Vertuos. Alright, so that is going to be it. That is my unboxing of my Nespresso Vertuo Plus. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you like, comment, and subscribe. I got this new baby and I am so excited to put it to use. So, without further ado, I'm going to end this video and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.